Good morning. Today I will discuss a new topic, that is design procedure for a biogas digester. We know that the size of the biogas plant that enables that how the volume and how the quantity of the biogas is to be obtained from the biogas plant. So we calculate first how the necessity according to the requirement we make a biogas plant, and it is to be based upon the small unit, large scale unit, and to run the power plant. So first, that how to calculate and how the maximum quantity of the biogas is to be obtained by the biogas plant, so that is some design procedure aspects is to be calculated, and by this method we can design the biogas plant. So in this video we discuss about the design procedure for a biogas digester. It is a very important phenomena that first we calculate a simple calculations based procedure, and then it should be optimized by the calculation of the biogas digester. So in this method a biogas plant may be designed based on the energy requirement. How much is the energy is to be required? Biogas plant may be designed according to the design required design are on the feed material available. Generally, standard designs are available for the common biogas plant designs. However, it is advised to understand the basic procedure. A design of the biogas plant for the standardization based, that is to be available on the market, but basically how it is to be calculated we have to know about the design calculation. The following examples shows the design for cooking requirement for a medium family. Suppose that we use the LPG cylinder, and by the methane gas how it is to be required for a medium family, that the consumptions of the gas in a family. So suppose that in a medium family 6 member are be there, and that 0.30 meter cube per day gas volume is to be required for the consumption of the methane LPG gas. So gas required for cooking for 6 people एट द रेट ऑफ 0.30 मीटर क्यूब पर डे है 1 पर्सन के लिए. तो हम लोग 6 पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे हैं कि सपोज दैट एक मीडियम फैमिली में 6 पर्सन है, तो टोटल एक मंथ में कितनी गैस की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. तो दैट इज़ 1.8 6 इंटू 0.30 1.8 मीटर क्यूब पर डे, दैट इज़ अप्रॉक्स 2 मीटर क्यूब पर डे. Now the calculation, we know that the methane gas is to be obtained by the cow dung. The phenomena occurred into the biogas plant into the digester, that the availability of the cow dung, and uh, it is to be wet, and after 14 to 30 days that the phenomena occurs and the gas is to be obtained from the plant, and this gas is to be used after some quality improvement. So in the cow dung requirement, suppose that 1 kg of cow dung yields, that is 0.035 meter cube. तो 1 kg जो काउ डंग है वो 1.035 मीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई करता है. टोटल जो है 6 पर्सन के लिए जो गैस की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो 2 मीटर क्यूब पर डे है. तो अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर लें तो for a family for 1 day, that is 2 upon 0.035, this is approx 57 kg, that is equal to the 60 kg for per day. Average cow dung yield from a cattle, that is 12 kg wet, that is approx to 60 upon 12, that is approx 5. So we calculate the number of animals required, that is equal to 60 upon 12, that equal to 5 animals. It means that for producing the total value of the gas, it is depend upon the total 2 meter cube per day, that is to the requirement of gas for per day, and for a family approx 6 person in the family. It means that 2 meter cube per day वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस इज टू बी रिक्वायर्ड. जो 1 kg काउ डंग से जो वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई होता है दैट इज 0.035, तो टोटल वैल्यू हो गई इसकी 60 kg. Average cow dung held from a kettle, that is 60/12, and 5 animals is to be required. Digester dimensions. Amount of slurry fed, it is the ratio of 1:1 ratio of slurry to the ratio of water, that is 60 plus 60, that is equal to 120 liter per day. Specific gravity of the slurry is assumed to be 1, that is equal to 0.12 meter cube per day. The plant can also be designed as per the dung availability. If 5 cows are available, then dung production per cow, that is 12, and for 5 animals, so the total dung production, that is 12 into 5, that is equal to the 60 kilogram. We know that the assumed specific gravity when one, that the volume is equal to the 60 liter. Daily slurry volume mixing with water, that is equal to 120 liter per day. Retention time here, that the 35 days we put the total dung, wet dung onto the digester, and the retention time is for 35 days. So the volume of the digester required, that is 0.12 into 35, using a ratio of 1 to 1.1 for height to diameter, that is equal to 4.2 meter. To calculate the total volume of the digester, that is equal to the area into its height, and this is into the term of the ratio, that how much the value of the gas is to be required, that is depend upon its diameter. So pi d square by 4 into its height, that is 1.1 d, that is equal to 4.2 meter. Diameter d can be formed for above relation. Design of gas holder, so gas produced daily, that is equal to the 2 meter cube. It is assumed the gas produced during the night is used up to cooking the breakfast and lunch in the morning. The gas produced in daily time after the morning cooking is used for cooking during in the evening. So the storage requirement is only 50% of daily gas production. So in the calculation, that is to be for in the morning breakfast, into the afternoon, and into the night. So this is the design calculation for the digester. So according to the requirement for the 6 person for a family, that the total gas produced daily is equal to the 2 meter cube. So we calculate for a month, so the total volume for 1 month for 6 person family, that is equal to 2 meter cube for 1 day. So 30 days for the 16 meter cube volume of gas is required for the 1 month for a 6 person family. So this is the average calculation of the gas requirement. Gas to be stored, that is 1 meter cube. Diameter of the gas holder will be slightly less than the diameter of the digester, so as to ensure its free movement. Pi d square by 4 into h, that is approx the value of 1 meter cube. We can find the height of gas holder h from the above relation. Here we calculate the height of the digester is to be calculated by the how much the plant size from where the gas is to be obtained from the pipeline. So it is to be calculated its volume. So totally depend upon the its height and diameter of the plant of the total जो गैस का प्लांट की साइज है, दैट इज द पाई डी स्क्वायर बाई 4 into h. The utilization of the biogas. We know that the principle of the biogas, it is totally depend upon the good quality of methane gas is to be obtained by the digester from the biogas plant, and after this it is used into the several applications. So the utilization of the biogas plant, that is biogas generated from anaerobic digestion process. जो biogas हमें मिलती है, it is by the anaerobic digestion process. is a clean and environmentally friendly renewable fuel. It is less harmful, either we can say that no harmful and eco-friendly. It is a renewable energy process, but it is important to clean a upgrade biogas before using it to increase its heating value. We know that when the gas is to be obtained from the biogas plant, the gas quality is to be enhanced, the improvement due to the increase the heating value. We know that the maximum heating value of the gas is produce the large fuel for the large time volume of the fuel, and it is to be good quality of fuel, so the burning phenomena and the time period for the fuel is to be enhanced by to improve the quality of the biofuel. Upgrades biogas before using it to increase its heating value and to make it usable in some gas appliances such as engines, boilers. Biogas can potentially be used in many types of equipments including, जो बायोगैस है वो बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट्स में यूज़ होता है, इंक्लूडिंग दीज आर द मेन फीचर्स वेयर द बायोगैस इज टू बी यूज्ड एज ए फ्यूल. दैट दीज आर फर्स्ट वन द इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन. आईसी इंजन में हम डायरेक्ट जो गैस है बायोगैस उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड वन इज़ द गैस टर्बाइन इंजन्स. थर्ड इज़ द माइक्रो टर्बाइन इंजन. फोर्थ स्टिरलिंग हीट इंजन. देन बॉयलर जो कि स्टीम जनरेट करता है, बॉयलर स्टीम सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज द हॉट वाटर सिस्टम. हॉट वाटर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज द स्पेस आर एयर हीटर्स. एंड देन कंबाइंड हीटर पावर जिसको हम CHP कहते हैं. एंड नाउ द फ्यूल सेल. So these are the various alliances where the use of the biogas. We know that the gas plays a very important role due to the engine running. So in the IC engine, gas turbine engine, micro turbine, Stirling boiler, water system for combustion phenomena occurs by the ignition of the fuel either into the term of gas. So this is the main utilization area of the biogas. So in this video we discuss about the design procedure for a biogas digester and where the utilization of the biogas. So mainly we first to calculate that how much the quantity of the biogas is to be calculate for the total quality of the fuel, such as the cow dung that is to be into the form of wet, and after 35 day retention we obtain the biogas. So from how many quantity of the fuel that is to be required, that is to be calculated by this simple calculation. So in this video we discuss about mainly the design procedure for a biogas digester and the total value of the utilization of the biogas fuel. Thank you.